Hi everybody, I'm Cindy Honeycutt and I am the drama specialist at TMA, and I'm excited to be starting my 12th year teaching drama to the elementary students. If you have not met me, I am short, blonde, goofy, high energy, and I probably have seen your kids. If you haven't been watching me, I'm out on my back porch. This is my back porch background that I like to talk to people in front of. One, because it makes me happy, and two, because I think the light is better, perhaps, for my old eyes. I graduated in 1990 from St. Edward's University with a BA in acting. So it is theater arts with an acting emphasis, and always meant to be an actor. Did that professionally for a couple years out of college, and then moved back to Fort Worth, where my family is from and where my sister had started having babies. And I just wanted to be around family. So, biggest important things to me in my life are my family, my own personal family. I'm married to Rodney, 19 years this year. I have a soon to be 12-year-old son who went to TMA from ages 2 to 4, and that solidified my love for Montessori. Though he is not a Montessori kid, I would have been a fabulous Montessori kid. I enjoy working with my students both at TMA and at Theater Arlington, where I am the education director and business manager of the theater. So I have a lot on my plate, but I love what I do and would not want to be sitting and doing the same old thing every single day. That is not who I am. I love animals. I have a dog, Holly, and 3 cats. Oliver, who is 15 years old, and twins, though they don't look anything alike, Rowan and Martin, and they are 1 year old. And I am sitting out here watching the birds go around and the squirrels move through my yard right now. And one day, in my dream, I will live out in the country on a big piece of land and stare out at my goats and pigs and maybe a horse and a mule and a whatever happens to be at the Humane Society that needs to be adopted and needs a home. We are very passionate about adopting animals, and we would have tons more if we didn't live in a neighborhood. So I am excited to be working with your kiddos this year. Usually I kind of give you a rundown of what class will look like. Class is going to be very different this year. So what it will look like is not set in stone yet. So we do focus on learning drama through the use of our continents that we are studying. So folk tales from those regions, theater that is set in those regions or stems from those regions. So I work really hard to make sure the kids have a great overview, and I love to talk to them like I wish people had talked to me when I started taking theater classes at age 10. So excited to be working with your kids both virtually and in person, and or whatever it will be this year, and hope that I get to meet each and every one of you if I haven't already. All right, we'll see you soon.